Okay, so I'm gonna show how to disassemble this key from AliExpress for Suzuki. First of all, there we have two covers. They're made of plastic, and there's a sticker on top of it. So just put a fingernail or something like that, or a screwdriver. For me, fingernail works the best. Now we have other one side. You can see that the bolt is screwed through here. I disassembled this key a few more times already, so I cannot I'm unable to unscrew this because it's just spinning. So I just pushed it from this side. Lucky for me, I have a small screwdriver, but it would be good to glue it afterwards. After that, you just need to push it like that, and you don't care about this. There is a small element here, and it should come out easily, but I have already plugged in the fob. The fob has a diameter like that, so just need I covered it with a foil for it to be thicker because it fell off, and then I just pushed it in for it not to wobble inside because it wobbled. And when it's in, it doesn't matter how you put it. Actually, I put it like this, maybe, I don't remember. Maybe it can be put downwards, so if the wider part is on the bottom, it will be uh, held by the key. But I put it like that, this way. I put it like this, so it has. But I liked to wrap it with a foil plastic bag part or something. This way is better. So one more time. And the chip is for the, one second, I forgot the name. Uh, I have it in the other 4 FIA 4D like Danny, 6, and B like bridge. So I have it plugged in here. Now I just need to put it inside. So I'm gonna just put it inside on the other side here. It's not moving. It's just reverse engineering right now. So I have it already plugged, and now I just need to force the key inside. Screw the bolt. Mine isn't screwing in, but it's easier to screw it. Now it's being locked. The key is being locked. Glue in the stuff. It will hold like this, and yeah, and that's it for disassembling and assembling the key with the key fob. The key fob I found on AliExpress for the 6B. It's an and it will be it's in the playlist. So this is just additional video because I was going through my videos and checking the comments that I don't do. So it's a late response, but you can do it like that. Later on you have a manual, a bit of talk about how to connect it. And that's it.